Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to make a letterhead in Google Docs for 2025. Whether you're a student, a business pro, or just want to level up your documents, this quick guide will have you creating professional letterheads in no time. Let's get started. It's easier than you think. First, open Google Docs by heading to docs.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Blank to create a new document. This is your canvas for designing a sleek letterhead. Next, insert a header to place your key elements. Go to the top menu, click Insert, then select Headers and Footers and choose Header. This section is perfect for adding your company's name, logo, and contact details without interfering with the main content. Now, let's add some visuals. To include a logo, go back to Insert, select Image, and upload from your computer or search the web. Position it in the header and resize as needed for a polished look. Don't forget to add text like your address or phone number. Simply type it in and use the formatting tools to make it stand out. Customization is key. Highlight your text and use the toolbar to change the font, size, color, and alignment. For a modern 2025 vibe, opt for clean fonts like Arial or Google Sans. If you want to add a border or line, go to Insert, Greater Than, Drawing, Greater Than, New, and create a simple element to frame your design. Once everything looks great, save your work. Head to File, Greater Than, Save as Template, so you can reuse this letterhead for future documents. That's it. You've just made a custom letterhead that's ready to impress. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay productive.